Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, we will see how to use material table in our React application. Okay, so I got here running project. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, React app. So here, in order to use material table in our application, we need to install two packages in our system. Okay, so first package is going to be material UI. So let me take you to material UI. Okay, so you can see here this is the material UI, and let me look here for the table. So as you can see here, we have a table, so it's looking good. This table don't have much functionality. Okay, so scroll down all the way to down, and you can see here we have another one table. So from here we can do search, we can perform any kind of operation, and when I click here, you can see I am able to add a new row as well. Okay, here paging is also implemented. So many things we can do by using this. So this is a material table, right? So this material table is using the material UI component. Okay, and they have designed already data table for us. Okay, so what we have to do, both of the packages installed in our project, and we have to start using. Okay, so let me take you to this website, material table. Okay, so this first website, get us started, and what we have to do, we have to go to the install, and as you can see here, we need to install two packages. You can find both packages in description of this video. So we have to install this material table and material UI core. That's it. Okay, so already I have installed. So what I am going to do here, I will create a component here that will called as a table. Okay, so table.js, and let me import React from React. Okay, next thing, I have to import material table from material table. Okay, now I have to create, let me export cons, make it as a functional component here. So table, okay, return here, and let me return div first. Okay, so I can write here table goes here. Okay, and let me import this one here. Okay, so table, right, I got auto import option, so I have imported from the table. Okay, so it's compiled. Let me take you here. So table goes here, right? So it's working fine. So next what we have to do here, we have to start writing code for the table. So let me write get table, material table, and let me close this one. Okay, so we have to pass here couple of parameters. So first parameter is going to be title. So title, and you can give title as a string. So material table. Okay, and next thing is going to be our data, right? So what data we are going to have. Okay, and after that we are going to have column definition of our data. Okay, so let me define both object here. So const data, and data is going to be, so we can write here, let's name equal to Ramesh, okay, age equal to how much, 12, okay, and let me do couple of copy paste, oh, at last comma, okay. So let me change this name here, okay. So 35 here, Ranjan, okay. So then, and it's 20, okay. So our data is ready, so I can combine this data with this data, okay. So I did this. Now we have to think about the columns. So let's define column here as well. So columns, so column is going to have two fields. First is title, okay. So title means what, at the header what we will show, okay. So that is going to be first name, okay, and second parameter is going to be field, okay. So field means from what is the matching, respective matching column name in data. So that is name, so I need to write here name, that's it, okay. So I have to define for another one as well. So title, and this is going to be age, and field is age only, okay. So age, that's it. What we have to do right now, I have to combine this one columns here and save this, and let's move to the browser, okay guys. So as you can see here, we have this Ramesh and age, okay, name and age we are having, but we have problem with the, we don't have icon. So let's go to this website. As you can see here below, we have icon link here. So copy this link and come to your public folder index.html and paste it here, okay. Before the title, just paste it, okay. And now as you can see here, we have title, we have icon as well, okay. So here let me click on this. So according to this, it's getting sorted as well, right. So what we can do right now, that here we have this search option. So if I am writing here 10, you can see I am getting the option. We have paging as well, right. So let's consider I don't want search option, so I can write here options equal to here search equal to false, okay. So once the search is false, we will not be getting search option here, right. Let's consider we don't want this paging, okay. So for that, what we can do here, we can write here paging equal to false, okay. So we can write paging equal to false, right. So you can see here we don't have paging anymore, right. So let's consider I want filter, means that means whenever I click here, means I want to filter for the particular column wise. So what we have to do here, filtering equal to true, okay. Default it will be false, so you have to make it as a true. And now you can see we are getting filter. So if I am writing here Ranjan, I am getting this Ranjan, okay. If I am writing something, I will get according to that, okay guys. So next, let me show you export. So export button, make it as a true, okay. So now you can get here download option. Just click on this button. So export as a CSV. Once you click on export as a CSV, you can see here its data is got downloaded. Okay, and let me open this file as well. So how data is here, according to this it will be there in CSV file. Let me take you through the features. Here you can handle the editable, export, filtering, fixed column, grouping, searching, selection, and there's so many things as well. Okay, so this was the basic introduction and it's still opening, so just wait for a while. As you can see here, we have this data. Okay, the top we have column name, it's good, and we don't have to write anything much here. What we have to do, we have to write these many options based on our requirement. We have to make modification. Okay, if you want search option, universal search, so you can make it as a here true. Okay, and now search option will be available for you. Okay, so as you can see here, right, so it's completely depend on you. I have given material table link in description of this video. You can go there and you can start exploring yourself. Okay, so I think this was the video on basic of material table. So if you have any doubt, just ping me in comment section. Okay, I would like to help you. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.